Hi, I hope you're having a wonderful day today. Today I'm going to be sharing my May luxury favorites. I don't think I have done a favorites video just concentrating on luxury in a very long time. Before we get into that, if you're new to my channel, my name is Melinda. If you're returning, thank you so much for coming back. I truly appreciate it, and I would love it if you have not done so already, if you would just hit that subscribe button down below really quickly and that bell notification, because my uploads will probably forevermore be all over the place. I don't think I'm ever gonna have a set schedule again. So I don't do favorites videos particularly often, and when I do, I usually do a really broad mix of things, but I decided just to keep it to luxury because May, I finally got to get out and about. I was well, it was a good month, and I just want to share with you the things that I've actually been using. So I have a few little beauty things, not very many. I have some jewelry, some handbags, and just some fun stuff. So let's get right into it with the beauty. And I have already filmed overlays for everything. I am trying a new format so that there is a lot more eye candy for you, and that I'm not sitting here going, focus, focus. This camera is my second one since I have been on here, and I'm just not wanting a new camera. I need a new computer too, and I'm not wanting that either. The first thing, I absolutely love this. I got this, oh my goodness, was it last year or the year before? Whatever year of the rabbit was, I don't know. But many of you have seen this on my channel. This is Swarovski, I'm pretty sure crystals. It is from Estee Lauder, and it is a refillable little bunny rabbit compact. And this is just, to me, is such a fun little luxury. And I take this out of my purse to put on a little powder. I just think it's so adorable. The next thing I'm going to share from you is from Guerlain, and it is this eyeshadow palette. I'm not even going to try to blind you. I'm just going to insert the footage. When I first got this one, I was not really amused with it. I'll be honest with you, I do not like Chanel eyeshadow. I do not like Dior eyeshadow. They are not pigmented enough. I'm used to things like Urban Decay and Tarte and those kind of brands. Fenty, I love Fenty. So I bought this one thinking it would be different, and I didn't like it at first. But I have figured it out, and I've been using this all month. I love the colors in it. You apply it with your fingers. At least for me, it works if I apply it with my fingers, and I will show you a swatching of it. But the packaging is beautiful. It's gonna blind you, but I think it's awesome. And I do use a primer underneath. I use the Urban Decay anti-aging primer, but when I use my fingers, it comes out fabulously. If I try to pick the formula up with a brush, it doesn't work as well. And I have a few eyeshadows that are like that. The last beauty thing I have to share with you, I can't pronounce. It is from Maison Francis Kurkdjian, Paris. That's the part I can't pronounce, but it is a la rose. Again, I'm gonna blind you, so I will put in some footage, and you know how terrible I am. Oh, and that is the eyeshadow I have on today. I don't know if you can really see it. And this is the fragrance I have on, but you can't smell me. Oh, it's so pretty. But you know I'm so bad at describing fragrance that I took a screenshot of it. It has 250 freshly bloomed roses from Grasse, is that how you say it? Grasse. I cannot speak French, y'all. Offer their unequaled richness to every bottle of perfume. It's fruity floral with Damascus rose from Bulgaria, Centerfold rose from Grasse, Calabrian bergamot, Californian orange, violet, magnolia blossom, cedarwood, and musk. And it is made in France. It is a beautiful scent. Very pretty. Again, I'm going to be blinding you with that. So let's move into some accessories. This, when I bought this Gucci baseball hat, I thought this is probably one of the silliest things I have ever spent money on. It was not cheap, and it's just a baseball hat. I can't believe how much use I have gotten out of this. It is fabulous. What I wear it for is if I want to get up in the morning and the hair is not cooperating, I can ponytail, put a hat on, and look cute and go run some errands. And I use this on about every vacation that we go on to go down for breakfast if we're not getting room service, because I'm really slow in the morning. It takes a long time. If I'm not doing the curly hair, it takes a long time to fix. I think this is so cute, and I never thought, I don't say cost per wear too often, but I think I'm actually gonna get cost per wear out of this hat. And the other accessory, I am finally using my Gucci Marmont wallet. I bought this for myself in December. I just love the color of this. It has, let's see, on one side it has 3 card slots, the other side it has 2, but it actually has 3 because there is one behind the zipped coin pouch, and which I found the silica gel packet in there because I don't ever carry change. And then you can also put your bills in flat. I think this is still a reasonably priced small leather good for a luxury one, and I love the compact design and size. And it takes a lot to get me to switch out of that Zoe because I love that back pocket. That would be my only complaint on this. I wish it had a back pocket, but it holds a lot more than the Zoe does. So let's move into some jewelry now. I actually got my Mother's Day gifts a little bit early, should you have watched that video, and I have been wearing all of them non-stop. Let's start with the Tiffany earrings, and again I will be putting in video, and I will insert a picture of them on me. And then, so the Tiffany hardware earrings in silver, the matching necklace, which I have never seen online ever. They happened to have it in the boutique, and I was beyond excited, and I tried it on and I loved it. It's really not showing up so good here, but you'll see when I turn it around. And then these are older pieces that not super old, because that's not a very old line, but I have the bracelet and the ring. The bracelet and the necklace you can connect together to make it into one long necklace, and I will link that video down below with a timestamp so you can see it better on my neck, because I think I have on a black top or something where you can see it a lot better. But I am beyond thrilled that I went with the sterling silver pieces, because I have a full set now. I had no idea this existed. So that's kind of was my struggle with the earrings were on the wish list, and then I decided I wanted a necklace, and there was a different one I was looking at, but I saw this one and just fell in love, and I have been wearing it and wearing it and wearing it. The next thing, my shirt is a little bit of a hint. I have been wearing this watch just non-stop. I got this one last year. This is what I got right when I came back to YouTube. I had been on the wait list for this for over 3 years. My husband was on the wait list for a yellow one, which they have discontinued. It was like a Predator's yellow. He was really bummed out about that. This is just such a comfortable, easy to wear watch. It moves. This bracelet is so different the way it fits than the Jubilee. This is the oyster bracelet, and it just fits a lot better as it's getting hot. We've had some 89-degree days with a lot of humidity, which makes my wrists swell up. So I just love this watch. I love the simplicity, and I'm actually really enjoying watches that don't have the date on them, because then they're so much easier to set. So the next jewelry I'm going to share with you is from Hermes. The first one is one of my favorite rings. It is the Ariane ring. It is a simple little ring. It is in rose gold, and it's not a very rosy rose gold. I'm almost positive it is rose gold. I think it only comes in rose and in white. I do not think yellow is an option. I will write down below. I know it has to be rose gold. I know it is, but if I'm wrong, I'll put it down below. But it's just a dainty, beautiful ring, and I love to stack it with other rings because it is so dainty and so beautiful, and it is in the 18 karat gold. The other one is the gift that my husband got me for Mother's Day, and that is the Click H bracelet, and the color is papaya, and it is the slender the more slender version of the two, and my sales associate said this one would be a lot more comfortable, so he did buy this. We were in the boutique, and because he would never know to look online, but she said the slender one's a lot more comfortable, and it really is, and it's easy to get on, it's easy to get off. It's a really, really stunning shade of pink. She did say it was a limited edition color, so I'm not sure how long that color will be around for. So let's get into the bags, and the bags are kind of, they're all very, I guess you would say, basic bags, which I love and I have plenty of, and I am adding some fun things in now, but these are what actually got the use, because we did have a lot of rain, and then we'd have really nice sunny days. So the first one is my Gucci Boston bag, and this one is the Ophidia Mini Boston bag with the navy. And y'all, I love this bag so much more than the Speedy 20. I'm gonna wait until the end of the year, maybe the beginning of next year, and consider having a vlog sale, but I'm actually thinking of possibly letting that one go, because this one is just unique, different, and it's worry-free. So I have been absolutely loving that. My other rainy day bag, which I have been carrying all week, is my Neo Noe in the caramel color. I love this caramel color. I love this bag. I'm getting back into shoulder bags. Crossbody are my favorite for the most part, but I love this. Is just a bigger bag, and it's easy just to chuck everything in there. And it didn't end up raining when I was out yesterday, but I like the room in here because I have to have glasses to drive. So normally, I would say 99% of the time I'm wearing sunglasses, and I don't ever bring my clear ones with me during the daytime, but I had them in case it started pouring and got dark and, you know, be easier to see. But I love the capacity of this, and I'm still just thrilled that, I know it's silly, but I'm thrilled I was able to find this one made in France, because it's a French brand, so it's fun for it to be made in France. And the last bag is one I just recently did a review on, and that is my Graceful in the size. This is a big bag. It is a really, really big bag. It slouches. I will put that video in, and I will insert some mod shots on me, but it slouches very nicely. It's comfortable on the shoulder. I love the magnetic closure. Again, I was lucky enough to find one made in France. I did opt for the tan interior. There is one called Pavine, which is a very beautiful hot pink, but I liked the tan interior. I just thought it was really cool. I still cannot believe we are already into June, and yeah, this year is just flying by. But I hope you have a wonderful day today, and I hope to talk to you again very soon. Take care. Bye-bye.